Welcome back to Math is Easy, Step by Step. This is part 38 in solving system of equations, word problem, money, 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 money. So here in step 4, we're going to substitute the value of A, adult tickets, which is equal to 66 so far. We've got to check that answer later on, into either original equation number 1 or original equation number 2. And then we'll solve for C. See, you get to choose which one. You're going to choose either original equation number 1 or an original equation number 2. You're going to substitute that value of A to solve for C. Now, I choose to use original equation number 1. Why? Well, there's less stuff attached to these variables, right? And if I'm going to substitute 66 for A, it's one step to solve for C. Now, if I substitute 66 for A in equation 2, I got to multiply times the 10. I've got to subtract both sides by the product. And then I got to divide 6 by both sides. There's a bunch of steps. I have one step after I substitute to solve for C in equation number 1. Hey, let's take a look. What does that look like? Solving for the variable C in equation number 1. Okay, so you can see here now, A plus C equals 120. That's original equation number 1. If A equals 66, I'm going to substitute 66 for A. So 66 plus C equals 120. 66 without the parentheses, I just rewrote it, plus C equals 120. Now I want to get C all by itself. How can I turn that 66 into 0? Or another way to look at this, 66 plus C. C represents a real number. What number plus 66 would give me equal to 120? There's two ways to look at that. And if you can't see it that way, you got to use inverse operations. Let's take a look. All right, if you said to subtract 66 from both sides of the equal sign, you're correct. 66 minus 66 gives me 0. C is all by itself. I'm going to bring it down. I'll bring down the equal sign. 120 minus 66 is 54. So we have children's tickets were sold, 54. Adult tickets sold, 66. But we're not finished with this problem. All right, we must, absolutely, we must check our answers. And the reason we check our answers is to determine if the solution is a infinite solution or no solution, or is actually the solution 54 and 66. So I've shown you both infinite and no solutions. So that should make sense to you if you've been following along with all the parts of all these videos. Stick around. Let's check our answer. All right, and checking our answer, of course, adult tickets, A is 66. Children tickets, 54. We're going to substitute our values in the appropriate places using our original equation number 1. A plus C equals 120. Well, if A equals 66, I'm going to put 66 here for A. Bring down the plus sign. If C equals 54, I'm going to substitute 54 for C. What's 66 plus 54? It's 120. Does 120 equal 120? Yes, it's true. This original equation 1 checks out. Let's check out number 2. All right, and checking our answer with original equation number 2, we're going to substitute 66 for A and the 54 for C. 10 times A, or 10 times 66, is 660, plus. 6 times 54 is 324. I bring down my equal signs. I bring down the 984. What is 660 plus 324? 984 equals 984. Is that a true statement? Absolutely, this is a true statement. 984 equals 984. So the answer, A equals 66, C equals 54. So 66 adult tickets and 54 children's tickets. That is our solution and our answer. All right, now you have your new knowledge, skills, and abilities. You need to practice, practice, practice. Conduct an internet search to practice math worksheets with answers on the following worksheets on using elimination method to solve system of equations, solving one-step and two-step equations, practice distribution property, practice substitution property, work on word problems, easy, medium, difficult, practice system of equation word problems, easy, medium, and difficult. Don't quit. Don't give up. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. If you make a mistake, go back. Look at your steps. Where did I make a mistake? Learn from it. Don't do it again. Keep practicing. You absolutely can do this. Don't give up. Don't quit. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. Please like, follow, share, subscribe. Help me help others if I have helped you. Thank you for your time.